Okay, today I'm going to prepare pasta with shrimps. Of course, steamed shrimps. Well, it's also my first time with shrimps. Oh, it's here. I just realized I didn't write the steamer container. So the idea is to start with the marinade, and it's super simple, like olive oil and wine. Oh, what's happening? Oh, this dishwasher has just opened the door. That's strange. Oh, maybe I shouldn't just use it like that. Okay, I should use it like that. Yeah, a lot of steam. So I will start with the marinade. And where is the chopping board? Okay, it's here. I always try to prepare before cooking what I'm going to cook, and it's always a missing step like this one. So, I need to close that. Okay. Not super secure. Yeah, okay, let me grab a paper towel. Another one. What's happening? I don't know. Maybe a longer one would do the work. Right now I'm preparing to cut some garlic. Oh, this time it works. As for the garlic, I think about maybe a smaller knife. So eight cloves. This is one or two. Sometimes it's hard to... What's this? It's not easy to find a good garlic. Seems to me a lot of them are just rotten in some way, or it's starting to rot. So 1, 2. Whoa, that was scary. Well, the most accidents happen in the kitchen, so no kidding. Yeah, I know my pronunciation is bad. Sorry for that. I hope you do understand some words to get the idea what I'm doing. Okay, how many garlic cloves I have? Oh, 5. Oh, I need 8. That's a random number. Now the idea is that I'm going to prepare like 16 pounds of shrimps. That's why I decided to maybe have like 8 garlic cloves are great for this. Okay, so I have the number, and I'm going to just just slice it. Oh, I just sliced it. I didn't. Okay, I prepare. So many tutorials and still struggling with practice. You just need to do it, I guess. Is it okay to do something like that? I mean, all of them look like this. I'm a little hesitant about that, but whatever. I just want to do it. It's maybe bad quality garlic, but I couldn't find a better one, so it is what it is. I see tomorrow if it was a health concern or not. Slicing. I just realized that this knife is not super straight. Like, there is like this way, bending left. Probably, yeah, I guess it was my fault. I used the knife for opening the jars, I guess, for the lid, like L-I-D. It's hard to believe that this is one clove. A very big one. Look at this. 2 toes. Actually, fingers. That's not my leg. That's not my feet. Foot. Oh, which one? Oh. By the way, I read somewhere, like it was some psychology book or maybe research, but they claim that it's really healthy to talk to just oneself, like what I'm doing right now, because there's nobody around me and I'm talking. Isn't it strange? Well, it's healthy for sure. Almost done. Just like I have strawberry slicer, but I don't have garlic slicer. That's strange. It would be more useful, I guess. Is there something like garlic slicer? I know there's like crusher. Oh, where's mine? I need one for later use. Oh, this one. So this one is for later. Oh, I don't have an element. Oh, come back. Okay, it's here. No worries. Oh man, it's sticky garlic. Whoa, it was close. I almost injured myself by sliding knife in my hand. Sorry, not head. Oh, that was my dishwasher. Okay, so what I have here, it's like I'm done with the garlic slices. So the next step, let's go here. So the next step is to use use 1 tablespoon of wine. Ooh, okay. I hope it. I'm not a drinker, so couldn't tell the quality of this. I mean, it's like cooking wine, so I can drink here. And today I sleeped. That's spoiled. Yeah, I spoiled the olive oil, so I don't have one. So I'm trying to mimic the one from the glass. It's a little bit different, but just 1 tablespoon of that. Yeah, I spilled the olive oil. Why did I say spoil? Oh. Okay, so this is new for me. I mean, it's not new. I usually forget to remove the protection cover. Oh man. A little bit of salt. I mean, regular salt is great. I just use this one. I don't know why. I like the color. And black pepper. And that's all. And that's it. Wow. And this is the marinade. I need more of this one. Look at this. And I don't have a content. I need something to marinate, right? So that's a mess. So I need another chopping board with fish, because I'm going to clean the shrimps. I hope I cleaned already. Not sure about that. And I need pan. So it's more like, where is? Oh, it's here. The weight is here. Oh, so it looks like I need half of this bag. Oh man, Caesars. Oh wow, what a smell. Yeah, smells like seafood. That's a normal smell. Are they clean? Yeah, they are clean. What I'm going to do right now is because it's really hard for me to eyeball the weight. So I'm going to weigh them using the scale. Oh, this is messy. This is like not enough space. Okay, put it here. Oh man, this is like cold. I just need to place it somewhere. Where is that? Oh. I think that the surface is uneven, but still I want to. Whoa, that's water. Oh man. Okay, one pan. It's like this, I guess. Yeah. So the rest would come back to the here plate. And just wait in the fridge, because why not? Let's do some plates here. Yeah, okay. Maybe here. Let's put this. Dates. Okay. So. This is clean. I don't think so. Again. I mean, mostly looks good to me. There are some parts like they are disgusting, but this is what it is, right? This one's a little bit frozen, but it's just a shell, so I just remove the freeze from this, and I think that's okay. Because like you see, this is just like a shell. Oh man, that's really cold. Oh wow, like this is really cold. Maybe they were like frozen burnt. Like that's insane that the freeze is inside the bag. So I think it's unusual that the freeze is inside the bag of the shrimps. Oh man, I just feel like I need to go to the sink to warm up my hands. So I think the idea here is just is what I'm going to do is just marinate them with what I have, and then I'm going to use butter and parsley and salt and black pepper and a little bit of garlic as well as the spread. But it will be the last step. I'm not even in the middle. It's really cold. I just need to go. Just one. Oh, my butter. Oh, my butter. A little bit warmer. Okay, almost done. Almost done. Keep going. Well, I feel I'm getting arthritis from this. So next, I'm going to wait till the full deforestation process. Where is my towel? Oh, it's here. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to stir it quickly. I just realized I used the chopping board, but I didn't need it. What I'm doing. So it's just marinade. What's this? Is dirt or what? I don't like this. Need to remove it. Yeah, it is disgusting. Oh. So I'm going to cover this. Where's the cover? Oh, it's here. I'm going to cover this one and come back for like 10 minutes, I guess. And meanwhile, I boil some pasta and chop some parsley and butter and light is good. Oh, I don't need that, right? Just, this is veggies. So let's start with the kettle here. Okay, it's here. And some filtered water, just like that. And boiling. And I need another pair of scissors. Just like that. So for two, it's like 1/4 of this, so it's like this. Is it? Is it like, oh, okay, let's do it. So this is the, and now I'm going to boil. And this is the parsley I'm going to use. And this is a mess. And where's some bowl? Oh, this one. Put it here. Oh, and the scale is here. Why? Oh, man, so. Okay, so yeah. Don't like the bowl. Yeah, I need to do some sanitation. Think with an alcohol because this is like super, how to say, it's like a lot of germs there because of raw shrimp water. Okay, so much. Okay. I want to cut it super fine. So finely chopped. Like I don't want to just leave. I don't want to have leaves inside. Oh, this is like mess. Do I have a bowl for mess? No, I don't. This one is for okay. So I need another bowl. Wait, I need another one. Yeah, this is for the mess. Sometimes I use this part, but this time I'm not going to use it. You know, texture is everything, so I'm not going to use this. Oh, wrong bowl. And I need something like that for chopping because I'm going to chop it really fine. That's why I know some parsley will stick to the knife, and I don't want to touch the knife with my hands because it usually means that I will be hurt, injured, like hospital injured. So maybe not hospital, more like emergency clinic injured, but I don't want that. So that's why I just show you what I'm trying to say. So this is the part where when usually my injuries happens, like I slide that parsley to the chopping board, and that's why I decided to use that technique. Because sometimes the knife is super sharp. I think mine is maybe not super, but yeah. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. You see, very. Oh, this one. This is the result I'm aiming for. Well, it's super cold today, so I'm wearing like 2 hoodies and a jacket and an apron. So yeah, a lot of layers. Yeah, I think I need to sharpen my knife because it looks like it's not super sharp. It has difficulties with chopping parsley. Look at this. It takes time. Okay, let's put it here. Oh, actually, where's my salt? Actually, I don't know what to do with stainless steel cookware because I want to do some boiling as soon as possible, and they say you need to aim for medium low, and it's like over medium. Okay, and some garlic. I know it's not the finest of the finest, but to be honest, I'm a little bit tired of chopping. It's like never-ending story. Maybe I need a new knife. Oh, new sharpening, I guess. That will do. I just realized I don't have salt. I like to take 1 teaspoon or something. I need to use the grinder for the salt. That's strange. Oh, oh man. Okay, remove it. So, whoa. Oh, that's my hair. almost boiling, so I need to be ready with pasta stuff. That's why I just wanted to use the knife. The knife is ultra layers. And what else? Oh, and butter. But before that, let's do this. A little bit of stir. And the butter. Oh no, it's not ready. And butter is like 8 tablespoons, and I need like 5. A lot of butter. Let's do this. Wow, that's a lot. Let's try it. No, let's do this. Ow, 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 ow. No, it's not happening. Whoa. And I think I need some like small cubes. As small as I can get, I guess. To make it super small when the pasta is ready. So they like melt together, you know? That's the idea. Like popcorn. When you have hot popcorn, you just place butter inside and it's like melted. So the idea here is the same. They place butter and it melts. So I place it like this. Give it a little bit of stir. Like that. Okay. And what is the... Oh. I need gloves. Oh. And how much time they say I need to cook it. Like 9 minutes, okay? 9 minutes. So let's come back to the steaming device. And what I need, it's not even surface. I hate having dirty hands, so that's why I'm cleaning all the time, washing them all the time. Yeah, that was kombucha. Whoa, I need to focus here. It's like, I feel like if I start talking, the water will flow in different directions. So that's my reasoning. Just make sure that this one is closed. That's very important. Otherwise, water will overflow from the bottom. This one is good, this one is here, this one goes here, and this one is almost boiling. So this is the high time to put. Oh man, I think I'm not a huge fan of shrimps. And what I'm going to do is close the dishwasher and place shrimps over here. This over here like that. We want to steam them perfectly. Steam and eat them. Okay, that's the goal. That's the goal. So what I'm doing is placing shrimps one next to the other. I'm not sure. I know that I'm touching the surface with my metal spoon. I'm not sure if it's correct or not. I mean, it's not a non-stick, so it's not like I'm scraping something. I'm just placing. So put it here. I don't want to overcrowd this tray, so try to like organize them somehow. I'm not sure if I need this garlic, so place it here and go with like, man, so what's happening? Okay, and like seafood. Where is seafood? And like 7:30, and just start. And this is what's this? This is a mess. Okay, so I think we're done here. And this is the salt. Whoa. And this is, I mean, it looks small. Really, it does. Maybe need more. I take more and use it for later. Right. Keep telling yourself that. Woo, this is my method. Whoa. And, whoa, strain your hand here. Attacking my cooking process. So 9 minutes. 9 minutes. And this is timer. What? Okay. I just realized that one of my sheet is paper sheet. Oh, this one's better. Okay, what's happening? I'm bored. I'm really, maybe I will come back in like 5 minutes. Looks good. It's starting to look good. I prepare things after I finish cooking. So this will be for the shrimps. This one goes here. This one is mess. These are clean. This one is on the top of. Okay, it looks like I'm missing space here. Put it here. Let's go. Put it like that. Just a mess. Ah. So the lid goes here. This is for removing the shrimps, and I need to like wait. Okay. And I need something to... Let's move it a little bit. I know, metal again. And I need something to... Yeah, this one is like bacteria, so let's go outside with this. Put it on a pan, why not? Maybe here. And I just feel so unprepared for this cooking. Maybe this one. Well, I don't like this one for pasta because pasta will stick to the very fine, like, checkered place. Maybe this one, but it's not perfect. There's a chance I can just change the size, right? Like, doing something like this. Okay, and this way more water will be at the bottom. Okay, makes sense. And I also need like tongs for this one. For like placing pasta onto the plates. So I think I'm covered. I do need to remember about this. I really forget about stuff. So I place it here to make sure that I know I need to put this one on top. Yeah, and I'm pretty much done. It's like 5 minutes to stop cooking, and here we have like 5 minutes on. That's bad. So maybe I need another one, like another plate for shrimps, maybe like that. Maybe this is the solution. I feel like this one is too small. Yeah, I think the order is reversed. I should start with the pasta and then place shrimps on top of the pasta, but I decided to not do this one. Oh, I know what can I do. I can just I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do right now. I'm not good with the order. I think I will just turn off the steamer, wait for the shrimps, like they will be here, and just start with the pasta. That is the most logical way to cook, I guess. So, I mean, it's not very complicated recipe, but it's complicated for me. Oh man, it's like one blob. That was the word I was looking for. One blob of pasta. Oh, they stick together. Ugh. It's like if they boil together, they stick together. Okay. What? Oh, this is the sun. So stop this. Okay, stop. Oh, I see. So there's no like turn off button, so I just remove it black. And if I want to reheat the shrimps, I can do that. There is a reheating function here. And there's like pause here, but there's no turn button or turn on. It's like 2 minutes. I don't know, how people know how to cook? I mean, how can they organize the cooking process? Do they do the same thing? They didn't remember the order of, or what's happening there, you know? It's a guessing game. I mean, my mind doesn't have the function to do it. It's just like too many stats at the same time, too many information I cannot retrieve. Oh man, almost 2 minutes. It's like forever. I'm curious about the shrimps though. Maybe I try one. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I try one shrimp. But I need to go up. This is the one. Just one sneak peek of the quality. Maybe I take the biggest one. And I need a knife. Whoa, what's happening? I'm attacked by my own camera. Really good. Wow, wow. This is like... Well, I must say, I didn't appreciate the shrimps. And this one from Steamer is like, wow. I'm shocked, really. I'm surprised. They're good. And you would thought that everything coming from Steamer is not good. But yeah, they are. I think because of the marinade. That's the main reason why they're good. You need to marinate them before cooking. Okay. I think the pasta's ready too. Oh man, it's almost done. Look at this. And stop. Okay, this is the dangerous part of cooking because don't forget about glass. Draining process. Draining pasta is like dangerous. So what I'm trying to do right now is just, you see what I'm doing? The bottom of the pan is in front of me. I don't want to splash any water in front of me, into my face. Okay. Okay, so I start with the plates. Yeah, it's good. It always looks like it's not enough food, you know, but this is like what they advise you to eat, like a portion size wise. Portion size wise. So that's like what I'm saying. They're super slippery. I think it's a different kind. Oh man, the water is here in the rings. This is like a disaster. Oh man. Just grab the last 2 of them. Okay. Well, it doesn't look good, as I mentioned. It's happening. I'm clumsy today. That's a fact. Okay, the last step is just take the lid from the steamer. It's super hot. Whoa. And place it like this on the top. Place it like this. Just the way it is. I mean, it's like a lot of shrimps I'm doing here. A lot of them. I need this. Like, how does it taste? Like, okay. You don't have to eat that, but if it is, it is. So I place it like this. Probably will remove this garlic. I'm not gonna lie. Like here. And the most important part would be place it like here. That's a lot of shrimps. I think I need to start counting my portions. Okay, and this one goes on top. Yeah, it's like a very big portion. So I just realized that probably it won't melt. So my assumption was it will melt, but it won't. What can I say? Why not? I just be doing like that. I mean, this is another recipe. I find myself dealing with cubes. The previous one was like big cubes. It was, I guess, taco stuff. And here we have another one of parsley and butter. I hope it's worth it. Well, the shrimp tastes good, okay? The butter tastes good. So I'm assuming that the result is amazing. It always looks like shit, but the result is great. Thank you for watching.